What if your smartwatch wasn't just smart, but built like a survival tool? Because Amazfit just dropped something that's not just a watch, it's practically a command center for your wrist. The new T-Rex 3 Pro just launched in Europe, and it's packing features you don't usually see on a fitness watch, like a dual-color flashlight, titanium alloy armor, and even automatic route planning for your adventures. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'll show you why this watch could become the ultimate weapon for athletes and explorers alike. Let's start with what's new. The T-Rex 3 Pro takes the rugged DNA of the T-Rex 3 and turns it up a notch. First, a built-in dual-color flashlight, yes, in the watch itself. Not only can it guide your way in the dark, but it also doubles as an SOS beacon. Then there's a speaker and microphone, which means you can take Bluetooth calls directly on your wrist, no phone phishing required. Now, outdoor explorers will love this, an upgraded GPS antenna that locks onto 6 different satellite systems. That means faster, more accurate tracking wherever you are. And get this, automatic route planning. Just tell the watch your distance and direction, and it builds a course for you, perfect for trail runs, hikes, or training missions. Of course, it's not just about adventure. The T-Rex 3 Pro comes loaded with over 180 sports modes, from the basics like running and cycling to the more extreme like rucking. Plus, it integrates with third-party tools like intervals.icu, making it a serious training companion. And here's where it gets futuristic, the new BioCharge Energy metric. Think of it like a recovery score, showing you how ready your body is after a workout. So, here's the big question. Is it worth it? The T-Rex 3 Pro isn't cheap, priced at £399.90 or €399. But you're getting serious hardware, a sapphire glass display, a titanium alloy bezel, and 2 size options with insanely bright AMOLED screens. 3000 nits peak brightness, which is brighter than many smartphones. And the battery? Up to 25 days on a single charge with the 48mm version. That's almost a month of use without hunting for a charger. Right now, only the 48mm Tactical Black Edition is available, but new colors drop later this month. And while there's no word yet on a US release, Europe already has its hands on it. So if you're the kind of person who pushes limits, explores the unknown, or just wants the toughest smartwatch around, the T-Rex 3 Pro might just be your new adventure buddy. What do you think? Does this beast deserve a spot on your wrist, or is it overkill? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this breakdown.